So this is StreamDB, a reactive database in a durable stream. So what we have here is I've defined a schema with three different types: messages, user presence, and agents. And I can just write all of these types, which have different structure, through the durable stream into a StreamDB, and then that StreamDB is used as a reactive client store in the application here, which is where you can just see the data syncing in instantly. If we look at how it works in the background, here's the code. First of all, you can define any schema you like. Here I'm using Zod. It's any standard schema. I define a schema for the messages, for the presence data, for the agents. You then pass this into a StreamDB, and this creates a reactive DB in your application. We then have these actions, which tie into the optimistic state machinery, so you can do instant local writes. Then if you come to your components, you have live queries, where every type that you define in your schema automatically becomes a TanStackDB collection. And then when you want to write to that type, you can just use the actions and you get an instant local write. The data is written onto the stream, and then when it syncs back into the stream, the optimistic state is discarded. And so what that gives you in here is an application that is naturally multi-tab, multi-user. As you can see, the data automatically syncs between everybody. And it's the perfect data primitive for storing structured information to underpin an AI app or an agentic session. Type safe, multiplexed, low latency, real-time, reactive, and just blazing fast.